Welcome to Informative Psyche, the YouTube channel dedicated to providing educational content on various subjects of B.S. Hans in psychology. In this video, we will explore topics such as communication skills, Islam and ethics, general ecology, and general civilization. Whether you're a psychology major or simply interested in expanding your knowledge, this channel is for you. We aim to provide engaging and informative content that will help you in your academic journey and beyond. Communication skills are essential in every aspect of life. In this video series, we will delve into effective communication techniques, including verbal and nonverbal cues, active listening, and conflict resolution. Islam and ethics play a significant role in shaping our values and behaviors. Join us as we explore the principles of Islam, ethical decision-making, and the importance of moral conduct in our daily lives. General ecology encompasses the study of the environment and its interconnections. We will examine topics such as ecosystems, biodiversity, climate change, and sustainable practices to promote a healthier planet. General civilization explores the development and progress of human societies throughout history. From ancient civilizations to modern advancements, we will uncover the foundations that shape our world today. Support us by subscribing to our channel and hitting the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Join our community of learners and let's embark on this educational journey together.